Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've got another camera here to unbox and review. It's a solar powered camera. The solar panels on it charges the batteries, and so you shouldn't have to go out and take it in every once in a while and charge it up. It is a Wi-Fi unit, so no wires needed, nothing for power or anything. You just connect it to the Wi-Fi, get it in where it's got some sunlight during the day to keep the batteries charged, and you're good to go. The name on it is called the Qinroiot. Qinroiot, maybe, I'm not sure. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what's in here. All right, so we have a user manual. Looks like right here we're gonna have the camera. It's actually larger than I thought. Pretty good size, but it would be with solar panels on it, I'm sure. So that's the unit itself. You can see the front of it right here. The solar panels are one in the center, and it looks like these two here fold out. So you could actually angle these at different direction, however you wanted them, or keep them flat, whatever you'd want to do. And on the back here, we do have a micro USB plug on this little cord. On the bottom here, this is the location of where your battery compartment is. You can see there's 4 batteries that are rechargeable by the solar or by the USB. And then this little flap here. So inside here we got an on-off switch, a reset switch, a place for our TIFF card or our micro SD card, and then a USB connector right there. We'll need to peel this off. On this side of the camera, it looks like we have a small little microphone hole, and then right here we have the infrared LEDs on this side, and on this side we have, it says a light sensor on this side, and this is our PIR detector for like motion or person that has humanoid detection, and then of course we have our camera lens right here. So the specifications on this is the resolution is 1080p. It does a 160-degree wide angle, so that's pretty nice and wide. The format of the video is H.264, 15 frames per second. The SD card slot on the back is actually, you can go from 8 gigabyte to 64 gigabyte. It does have a built-in speaker and built-in microphone, because I'm sure if somebody's there, you can get on your phone app and you can actually talk to the person if there was somebody out there. The battery capacity is 10,400 milliamp hours. This is Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz. Standby time says 8 to 12 hours. Power consumption is 6 watts. So the PIR angle field of view is 120 degrees and the range is 16 feet. So the PIR detection is 16 feet. The night vision range of this is up to 32 feet. It says the work time for fully charged continuous daytime recording is maximum 36 hours. Continuous night vision recording time is 14 hours, which is plenty to go through the night when your night is not that many hours, so you'll be good to go there. And it is IP66 rated waterproof. Okay, also what comes with it is a really good looking mount. So it looks like it's made to mount on a pole. This is actually, you can see this is curved, or you can mount it on a flat surface. And then we have a tilt left to right angle by loosening this screw here with an Allen wrench. Also has an up and down tilt angle with this one right here. Also comes with some screws. Comes with a micro USB to USB cable. It comes with 3 antennas, and it comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. That's actually impressive. Most companies don't send one, or they send a small one. If they do, that's actually a 64 gigabyte, so pretty cool there. All right, so one of the first things we want to do is open this bottom cover up here. We'll take our micro SD card that's supplied with it, stick it in this card slot right here where it says TF card, push it in, let it click. We're good to go on that. Stick our cover back on, just make sure you get it on all the way down nice and smooth properly. That way you'll be waterproof. So on the back side here, it has these 3 connectors. This is for your 3 antennas. Then your antennas, we'll go ahead and stick them on. Stick them on, angle them where we can go up with them, like so. And just tilt all 3 of them up, probably like that. So it looks like to install our mount, we have this notch here in the back. It says have a button that clicks right here, snaps it into place. So we'll just take it, slide it on like so, till it clicks in position. And now we should be ready to take this thing out and mount it. Get it in some sunlight, see how it works. All right, to install the app, we should be able to read this code here for iOS because I'm on an iPhone. If you have an Android, you can use this QR code right here. So if we read this code, it says view in App Store, we can bring it up. Makes it real simple. The app is called U-Box. So we want to download that, install. There we got this app installed. Next thing we'll want to do will be to turn this unit on. So we'll go inside the bottom here, hold the button down until it comes on.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, now it says we're supposed to click on Add Family, My Home. That's good enough for the name of it. We can change it later if we want it. Okay, United States, Missouri, close enough. Now we should be able to add a device here. So we want to click Set up Wi-Fi device.
Power on your camera and check that the blue indicator LED is blinking.
Okay, well now we put in our Wi-Fi password.
Enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G.
Okay, now I entered my password and click Next.
Pairing information received.
Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
Okay, shows my hand. Left to right, slide to adjust volume. Up and down, slide to adjust brightness. Tap to switch between HD and SD video. Down here we tap mute or on the sound. Take snapshot, click on the camera. Tap to talk with the device. There's a microphone there. Little camera icon. Tap to record to the album. And tap to switch between cloud video and SD video. We want it on SD video. So we got on SD video. I'm sure we're going to have to go in here in the settings and format the SD card. We want to turn off cloud video. I don't use the cloud. Format SD card. You always want to format any new SD card you install in anything. Okay, we're formatted and ready to go there. You can flip image if it's upside down. Okay, we have backlight, compensation, night vision mode, highlight compensation or dynamic. We'll have to just try those out after it's set up. Environment mode, outdoor mode, because it will be outdoor. Detection sensitivity on high. Sleep delay, 15 seconds. And power frequency, 60 hertz. We get that right. LED indicator on. We don't necessarily want that on. Otherwise, people just see your LEDs. Synchronize time with your phone, so I click OK. Device name, here's where you can go in here and rename it. It also shows a few things down here about the ID, the vendor, the model number, and we can check and see if there's a firmware update. The firmware is up to date, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, there it is on the screen. Of course, it's showing it upside down because I have the unit sitting here upside down. We can actually turn this thing over, have our video up the right direction. Then when we go on to full screen here, actually really clear video up close. We'll have to see what it is out further. And here's where we click on record, save to an album. This is the microphone. Okay, so when we go back in our unit here, we should go back. We can go out of it right here. We can click on album and it will show our recorded videos there, the ones we just messed with right there.
Click on record.
That was just a little short one that I made. Let's take this thing out and get it set up somewhere. Okay guys, this is where I've got it mounted on a tree. I wanted to be able to see my mailbox right there. The reason why is because we've had somebody taking mail out of the box once in a while, and hopefully I can catch them. So we'll have to find that out in another video, but you can see the view on here. Working good. I can manually record, or it should detect it and record. We're going to find out. Later on, but we'll let it run right now. It's actually charging the battery up. It was at 50%, and now just by a little bit of light out here, it's not even sunny right now, it's up to 68%, so it's going pretty fast. Thank you guys for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. I'll have a link to this below where you can check it out. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.